Hi friend, this is Sophia from Expert Guidance Academy, and in this video we are going to learn how to form all action verbs sentences in English. So are you excited to learn about it? Let us begin. So the first word is accept. Accept. I accept your invitation. Achieve. She achieved her goals. She achieved her dreams. Acts. He acts in movies. He acts in movies. Add. Add sugar to the coffee. Add milk to the coffee. Answer. Answer. Answer the phone. Answer my questions. Ask. Ask questions. You can ask questions if you have doubt. Attend. I attend meetings on every Saturday. Bring. Bring water. Bring water. Build. Build a house. Buy. Buy milk. Call. Call your aunt. Call your uncle. Carry. Carry. Carry the luggage. Celebrate. I celebrate Christmas. Create. Create art. I create PPTs. Decide. Decide the menu. Deliver. Deliver packages. She delivers speech. Describe. Describe the scene. Destroy. Destroy the evidence. Determine. Determine the winner. Develop. Develop software. Eat. Eat breakfast. Edit. Her job is to edit documents. Edit documents. Enjoy. Enjoy the view. Enter. Enter the password. Establish. Establish a business. Evaluate. Evaluate performance. Examine. Examine patients. Exercise. I exercise daily. Expand. Expand. Expand operations. Explore. Explore new things. I like to explore new things. Help. Help others. Help each other. Hire. Hire employees. Imagine. Imagine the scenario. Improve. We must improve our skills. Increase. Increase productivity. Invest. Invest money. Join. Join the club. Keep. Keep secrets. No. I know the answer. Launch. This company launches products every year. This company launches products every month. So it can be the cosmetic, any kind of launch. Learn. Learn languages. She learned languages. Listen. Listen carefully. Listen to the video carefully. Listen to me. Listen to the audio. Meet. Meet deadlines. Manage. Manage the team. Open. Open the doors. Organize. Organize events. Perform. You perform very well. Plan. Plan the trip. Perform. Perform task. Prepare. Prepare meals. I prepare for my class every day. I prepare breakfast. Speak. Speak clearly. Start. Start your performance. Start your work. Study. You must study hard. Succeed. Succeed in business. Support. Support. You must support your co-workers. You must support your friends. You support your friends. Teach. Teach students. I teach many students. Travel. Travel abroad. Understand. Understand instructions. Tools. Use tools. Use. Use tools. Use the words in sentence. Write. Write sentences to improve your language. Write stories. So, all these things you can do to improve your language. Try to make as many as action verbs you can use it in sentences and try to utilize them when you are speaking. This will help you to have a good knowledge of the verbs. At the same time, it will also help you to be a fluent speaker. Thank you.